Hi everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how to unlike all of your liked videos on TikTok, right? So let's go into the TikTok mobile application and make sure that you are using the updated version of TikTok, right? So I'll just pause this video and you have to go to the profile icon which is on bottom right side corner. So for example, let me just like this TikTok video, right? And just go to the profile and here you can see the option of your liked videos, right? So here you can see, just let me show you that these are the videos which I have liked right now. So for example, I have shown you that this video I liked it right now, so that's why it's showing it here. So if I want to unlike all of the videos at once, there is a no feature which is available on TikTok where you can unlike all the videos at once. So you have to do one thing, you have to just go to the video and you have to unlike it, right? And you will scroll it, it will come those videos, right? So you can just unlike this video and you have to just keep on scroll and you have to just keep on unliking the videos, right? So this is the only way you can do it. So this is it guys. I hope you found this video really useful. If you did, then like this video right now, subscribe our channel and see you in the next video. Till that time, take care, goodbye.